Once your door handle is securely in your door, you can do two-handed or single exercises. First, I'll demonstrate the two-handed. Just slip it through your loop, get them both even. At this point, you can add your handles, or I'm just going to show it to you without the handles. And you're ready for exercise. Right now, we're working on those triceps. If you want to use a single hand, then you're going to want to, you'll see that you can't put it on here so easily. So what you're going to do is take one of your ankle rep straps, loop it through, attach just one side, and now you're ready. That's how you do it with just one arm. Have a great workout.